Is VideoExpress 2.0 the best bargain in AI video generation right now? Or is it just another overhyped tool that'll waste your money? I put my own cash on the line and bought the all-access plan again to find out so you don't have to. And I'll explain why. Let's dive in. Every single day, there's a shiny new AI tool promising to make video creation effortless. They show off slick cinematic clips, toss around words like Hollywood quality, and then hit you with that magic phrase, lifetime deal. But we've been here before, hyped up and let down. So today, I'm cutting through the fluff and giving you a real-world test of VideoExpress 2.0. First, the basics. There are two lifetime plans. The basic plan for $49. And let me be real, it's pretty much useless. You're limited to 3-second videos, and most of the AI tools are locked. Then there's the all-access plan for $179. That's what I got. And that's the version I'll be reviewing. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. You can choose horizontal or vertical formats, adjust your timeline, and access your image, video, and audio library all in one place. And they store your files for up to 5 months. Not bad. Let's test the AI features. First up, the headline feature, create from prompt. I typed in this prompt, a photorealistic dinosaur discovering a glowing alien flower on Mars. Cinematic lighting. First, I'm going to just hit create. Then I'm going to select the prompt enhancer and hit generate. In under a minute, it created a stunning image. Now in just one click, I can save that image to use later. Make sure that you do that because I fucked up many times and left and my images were gone. Also, I can create a video if I hit click generate video. The result? Smooth motion, glowing effects, cinematic light, honestly, way better than I expected. Next, I tried image to video. I'm gonna image from this site just because. I want a high quality shot of 1830 New York. But wait, I want it to be 16:9. One sec. This is the outpainting feature. It expands an image from portrait to landscape or vice versa. I didn't put any prompt in, just hit the space button. 2 minutes later, the video was ready. And yeah, I was impressed, especially with non-instructions. The lighting, the reflections, the slow motion, it nailed the vibe perfectly. Now, here's where it gets interesting, the text-to-video tool. No image prompt needed. Just type your idea and get a full video. I use this prompt, 3D Pixar cartoon of a man riding a bike through the mud. The output, genuinely solid, easily on par with AI tools that charge $60 a month. This feature is unlocks after you leave a quick review. Totally worth it. Let's talk about the talking photo feature, or should I say warning. I uploaded a portrait and a voiceover and got hit with an upgrade prompt, even though I was already on the premium plan. Weird. Then I tried the built-in text-to-speech option instead. And yeah, the results were rough. Robotic voice,
my name
rubber
is
lips,
Andrew Multilingual.
creepy motion.
You can
Unless
pick
you're
me as
making a
your
meme,
text
skip it.
Pozdrav, moje ime je Gabriela. Možete me odabrati kao svoj tekst u govorni ljudski govorni mehanizam za svoj video avatar.
But then things got better again. The consistent character feature? Awesome. You upload one reference photo and the AI keeps that same face and look across different scenes. Check this out. Let's try. On a plane. Let's try. Riding a horse. Let's try. Riding a bike? Well, I should have changed the location as well. Let me try to fix this. Not what I expected. Let's try that again. What the fuck? Okay, cool, right? Perfect for storytelling or brand continuity. And this time, it actually worked beautifully. I also tried the stylized character tool. I took that same photo and asked it to make a 3D Pixar style version. No prompt again. I don't like that tool much. Try again with a better character or even a real human. Let's test object removal. I tried removing people from a video I made inside the tool. I tried it multiple times, and this feature doesn't even work. Other features? Text animations, filters, pan, zoom, titles, speed tools, all pretty standard. Public gallery, you can browse and reuse videos made by other users. Nothing groundbreaking, but decent extras. However, I do like the talking photos feature. In this version, you can only create videos up to 30 seconds. But because I purchased the talking photos, as you can see, I can create a 5-minute video in here as well. Let's talk money. Runway ML, 95 month. Pika Labs, 70 month. VideoExpress 2, 179. One-time payment. Even if this tool only works for 2 years, you still save hundreds compared to monthly subscriptions. But they haven't made it a monthly fee yet, and it's been 2 years already. No brainer if you're on a budget. The reason why I bought it a second time is because I actually have the talking photos, which is also by Paul Pana, the owner as well, but I didn't add it when I checked out and missed the special offer. So I just went on and grabbed it again. So is VideoExpress 2 worth it? Yeah, but only if you get the all access plan. If you want fast, simple, AI-powered videos without paying every month, this is a solid deal. It's not perfect. The lip sync feature, pretty good. But the core stuff, it works. And it's way better than I expected for the price. If this helped you decide, hit that like button. Subscribe for more honest AI reviews and tutorials. And if you're grabbing VideoExpress, check the description for the deal link. Catch you in the next one.